Cost is the biggest concern for couples considering IVF, and at Janidva, we understand that. That's why we offer flexible packages, financial counseling, and bank tie-ups to support families. Our mission is simple: complete your family without overwhelming your financial expenses.
Ka UAE India CEPA Council rengkat ke jingat relang bat ke embassy jong ke United Arab Emirates. Hakari India kala sedang ya ka UAE India CEPA Startup Series haka jingalang ke belalong haka Taj Mahal Hotel ha New Delhi. Haka bapalat cis pangot kilawan Iashim bynta. Kani kesenjam kalong pan penurlong gi thong gi bakongsan jong ke UAE India Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement ban kentiu ki but rekam ki bathamai leng ba ke jingat relang ba ke jingkershan ki kam startup. Habakran ke jingalang u ambassador ke UAE Shikari India UAE Al-Shali ula banjur ba ke UAE ke yang scam ha ke baide ba ke jingsang kam lajong ba ke jing penmi ke but rekam ke bathamai ke belong markeliang ulong baleng ba ke senjam ke UAE India CEPA Council ke persang menpeneso ya ke jing pro ajabiang jinginong sengkam bat kari UAE ban kentiu ke jingya linti jongki ha ke ban penyare ke kam bat banwara ke jingya dai ke bejan ha padang kini ki artli giri. Hagini ke jingalang kala dandru ke jinga soy ya ke saskular ha pedang ke UICC bagi jaka pulih ke bapaunam ke bekentup ru ya ke Prime MEGHALAYA hapo jong ke MEGHALAYA Basin Management Agency ke Ideate Lab at OP Jindal Global University bat ke Jamia Hamdard.
On top of the roundtables, we've decided to launch the Startup Series for the UAE India CEPA Council. This will be a platform where promising startups will sign up, and then they'll be vetted and narrowed down to 20 startups that we'll bring here to Delhi. From there, we'll have a jury that they will be the judges of these potential startups. Then it will be narrowed down to 5 finalists who will then receive a package, a soft landing package to visit the UAE and have the experience and the exposure of the ecosystems that we have in the UAE. And hopefully they will expand their horizons, they'll gain experience from it. And from there, they'll have opportunities to further enhance their business in India, go towards the UAE, and hopefully go into the Middle East and North Africa region. At any stage, any scale, at the moment, yes. It's open to all startups. Yeah.
There's a lot of work that is being done when it comes to the large corporations or the big companies. They're already established, they have the market access, and the challenge today is to make sure that the startups have a fair shot, and India has one of the largest startup ecosystems around the world, so it makes perfect sense that we should be paying special attention to them. We actually have a specific article in the CEPA 13.2 which speaks about startups and basically supporting startups to be able to expand. All sectors. So we have seen other Indian startups being in the UAE, like Policy Bazaar, Ultra Human, but we have also seen hospitality, and we have seen healthcare, and we have seen also stuff related to beauty, for example. So there's no limit, and when I say there's no limit, it's literally no limit. The future in driving bilateral trade, especially non-oil bilateral trade, is in making sure that those startups, they get a fair shot, they get market access, they get to expand their business, and that will contribute to all of the numbers that we see between the two countries.